Today let us learn to write cursive writing on what's the topic? Types of houses. In the villages, people live in huts. What is a hut? They make a mud floor and walls, and they put hay on the top in the shape of a triangle. That's a hut. And mostly, not very well off, poor people live in a hut. How do you spell hut? H-U-T, hut. Let's write H-U-T, hut. They are very nice houses. It keeps you warm in cold season. The walls made of mud, floor made of mud, and the roof with hay. Let's write the H, capital H, U, T, hut. Okay. Now, where did the Eskimos live? In the Iceland, they use ice blocks and makes a dome-like house called igloo. And the Eskimos who live in the cold places live in an igloo. Spell igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Let's write. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Let's write the I capital. I G L O O. Igloo. Now, in the cities, some people live in flat. What is flat? Number of houses. First floor house, second floor house, third floor, like flat. It's a house, but in one flat, each floor, different people, families can live. Spell flat. F-L-A-T, flat. Let's write. F-L-A-T, flat. Let's write F capital. F L A T, flat. We have hut, igloo, flat. Now, you go on a picnic. Yes, you like to go on mountain trekking or going to nice water spot. You like to look at the water bodies. Now, there if you travel, sometimes houses are not there. You can carry your own house. What do you mean carry your own house? You take material, pitch a tent. Okay? Girl Guides and Scouts do that. So you can make your own tent. And you can take it off and carry it home with us. Tent. Alright? Now spell tent, T-E-N-T, tent. Children love to open and put up the tent outside and play and fold back the tent. Yes? Okay. Tent. T. E. N. T. Tent. Now, let's write the T capital. T. E. N. T. Tent. We are writing cursive writing on what? Types of houses. First, a hut. On the roof you have straw, mud and straw house. H-U-T, hut. Igloo. In the Icelands, Eskimos build houses with bricks of ice. It's called igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. People live in flat. Flats. What is flat? There'll be each floor, each family can live. F-L-A-T, flat. Tent. Tent can be pitched and taken away with you and go wherever you want to fix. T-E-N-T, tent. Let's take another set of houses. Now, you might have read stories. In the fairy tale stories, who lives in a palace? Yes, king and queen, prince and princess, they live in a palace. Big houses with pillars and decorations, whatnot. Spell palace, P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. Have you been to any palace? Ask mommy to take you. Let's write P, palace, P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. Let's write P capital. P A L A C E, palace. Palace is a huge house, huge chairs, colorful furniture, and the king and the queen, prince and princess live in it. Okay. Now, very big houses are called mansions. Very rich people, they build very huge house with many rooms, doors and windows and balconies. That's called a mansion. Spell mansion, M-A-N-S-I-O-N, mansion. Okay, let's write M A N S I O N. Big palatial house. They're called mansions. Let's write M capital. M A N S I O N, mansion. Okay, good. Now, in the olden days, to protect the big house they make from the enemy, right around the house, they'll build deep canal-like thing and there'll be water there. Castle. Who lives in a castle? You might have read stories about wicked witches, bad kings. Yes, castle. And they'll be right around. To protect the castle, they'll build a moat, a big wall, and there'll be water. Spell castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Castle also will be very huge, enormous house, lots of rooms. Yes, let's write castle. C A S T L E, castle. Let's write C capital. C A S T L E, castle. Now, you love to go on a picnic. Your mommy says, oh, children need to have an outing. Then you go for a picnic spot, and then when you go to that place, they will tell you there are small, small houses, and they call it a cottage. One family can stay, you can relax and be happy. Cottage. You enjoy yourself for a few days in a cottage. And you have all facilities there. Spell cottage, C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. Let's write C-O-T-T-A-G-E, T A G E cottage. Let's write the C capital. C O T T A G cottage. Let's look at the four different types of houses. Palace, P-A-L-A-C, palace, with a king's slave. Mansion, huge house, M-A-N-S-I-O-N, mansion. Castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. Very old days, people build castles. Cottage, where you go relax for a few days, C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. Let's look at another set of houses. Now, some people buy huge piece of land, and in that huge piece of land, they cultivate vegetables, they grow animals, they will have pond, all kinds of things. And then to take care of the animals, to take care of all the animals in the place, to take care of all the vegetables and fruit trees, they will also have a huge house in the middle, and people can go there, anyone can go there, friends or relatives, and stay there for a few days and enjoy the beauty of the animals, of the things that they grow, vegetables and fruit. And such a place, we call it a farmhouse. Okay, so they will have a lot of people working in that farmhouse, growing vegetables and fruit, and in one side they'll be growing fish, another side they'll be having all the farm animals, ducks and hens, sheep and pig and whatnot. All animals will be there. It's a beautiful surrounding to be in. Farmhouse. Let's write F-A-R-M-H-O-U-S-E. Farmhouse. F-A-R-M. Farmhouse. H-O-U-S-E. Farmhouse is a beautiful place to go and enjoy and relax. Some people live by the riverside, huge river, and they would like to buy some boat and leave it there, and friends and family members can take a boat and go for a boat ride. And all these boats are put into one place. Boathouse, we call that a boathouse. And you can go, take the boat, go and come back. Spell B-O-A-T-H-O-U-S-E, boathouse. B-O-A-T, boathouse. H-O-U-S-E. Anyone who like to relax and enjoy the boat ride, go to the boathouse of their relatives, take one and go and come back. Now, the ships go in the sea. The ship captain need to know where is the shore. So, normally by the seaside, some places they have a large whole house built, and from there very powerful lights go circling in the sea to tell the captain of the ship, look, this is a land. The land is close by, and we call that lighthouse. And the lighthouse is always there during day and night, and it is very tall, it's visible, the light is visible from very long distance. Lighthouse spelling Lighthe, light, House, house. Light, house. House, lighthouse. Why do we have lighthouse? To guide the ship or the huge boat that's gone into the sea. The light will guide them. Next, in some hilly stations, hill stations people like to go visiting, but sometimes there are animals below who might trouble them, or sometimes people like to have a view of the whole larger area. Then on a tall tree they build houses so that people can have a good view of the forest, of the things around there. And that's called the tree house. There are tree houses in Kerala, other parts, wherever there is forest. And tourists come there, stay there to enjoy the place. Tree house. Tree, tree, House, house. Since the houses are built on the tree, it's called tree house. There are huge ladders that you can climb up. Curd. Let's write T R T R tree, house. House, tree house. And let's look at our 4 houses. Farmhouse, on a huge area where there are farm animals are kept, pond, they grow fish, vegetables, fruits, and there's a huge house in the middle, and we call that a farmhouse. Boathouse. Boathouse, there will be boat, people live by the river, boat, and boats are there, and number of boats, so that's called a boathouse. Lighthouse, to guide the big ship. And then tree house, for you to enjoy. Farm, farm, House, farmhouse. Boathouse, boathouse. Light, lighthouse. Tree, tree, House, tree house.